Fish farming is very interesting and lucrative, but the major challenge of fish farming is water scarcity. In fact, a lot of people want to venture into fish farming, but they don't have enough water or adequate water for consumption, not to talk of the use for fish farming. Others have the water, but the constant change of the water is also a headache. What about if I told you that we have a solution for this? There's a system you put in your farm, and that you can use limited water to produce more fish year round. If you're able to make the system very well, you can even raise your fish to harvest without changing the water. Even though there are instances you also have to change the water. But despite that, this tool helps you a lot. And that brings us to the celebrating aquaculture system. We simply call it RAS. The RAS is made out of two major components: the flotation system and aeration system. The flotation system removes the insoluble particles such as the waste of the fish and then the leftover feed, and the aeration system adds oxygen into the pond and also makes the water to circulate. And that circulation of the water and then the removal or adding of oxygen breaks down high ammonia, which is toxic, and that can even make your fish to grow faster. So you will not only use small water to produce more fish, but you also make your fish to grow faster. And this tool will even make you able to stock fish more, and they can able to survive in that pond than if you don't have this tool. Now this tool is very important, and every fish farmer must have it in his or her farm. And if you are wondering how to get it, that is what we do. You contact us, you can install this in your farm, and you are good to go. But if you also want to learn how to do it and to have the knowledge for your own self, what you can set up, and that's what I recommend, because when you enroll, the knowledge becomes yours, and anytime you set up your farm, you can do it. Then you can also check out our course. We have an online course which is pre-recorded videos, and this we have practical videos that breaks everything down. This course breaks everything down and give you practical tips how we acquire all the materials and how we assemble them. And if you enroll in that course, you are going to learn a lot, and you thank me later. If you are wondering where to get this course or have access to this course is housed, or it is on Gumroad. And Gumroad, of course, is an international platform and they accept international currencies. And ours, we are selling it in dollars. And this system is $75. But we have discount for the first 10 people who will purchase. And if you enter the discount code Faako, you are going to get 30% off. And as I told you, 9 people have purchased it already, meaning that discount left just 1. What are we waiting for? Next, there's a saying that the head of the tortoise, those who know it pull it out. What I'm trying to say is that this RAS system, those who know it, they even fight for it. So, and if you don't want to go that route, you can come and install the app for you. It is what is in the working, and it is something that you must have in your farm. Check it out. The link is in the description, or check in the bio, and then you can make the purchase. If you have difficulties buying it online, contact us, then we can guide you to have the course at your disposal. My name is Abdulaziz Isa. I'm a fish farmer and I provide fish farms consultancy. And if you want to learn more about fish farming tips, then consider checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel where we have over 200 videos uploaded, and we are still uploading more, all on fish farming and aquaculture and nothing else.